Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix split screen not working on your Honor Magic V6. So as you guys can see, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up our phone. So we switch from cover screen to the main screen. Now here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over into settings. Once we are in the settings, what we're gonna do is go to foldable phones. And as you guys can see here, we have a lot of options, but what are we interested in is basically the multi-flex and the fast flex. So here we want to enable both of those features. Now it should work because it is a system app, basically a system function, but make sure that whenever you select an app, you go over here. You click on, sorry, not here, but you click here, right in the middle. You click on split screen and you select the second app. So we're gonna select this one, for example. And as you guys can see, we got it. So as you guys can see, it is working. But if you have some issues with it, what you guys want to do is simply first we're gonna restart the phone. So we're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. Now switch the power button to power button and volume down button and keep on holding it. Do not mind the screenshot being taken. Make sure to not touch anything else. We're gonna keep it like that until the phone goes into the black screen. Now the black screen indicates that the phone is forced restarting, and soon we should see the logo appearing right here. As you guys can see, we got the Honor logo. And soon our phone should easily be turning on, because forced restarts are way faster than normal restarts. As you guys can see, we already got the MagicOS loading screen, and soon we should see our menu. So we should go back, and then what are we gonna do is simply unlock our phone, go to settings, and once you're in the settings, what you guys want to do is scroll down, and you want to make sure that you're on the latest version of your software. So click on software updates and system and updates. It will check for updates automatically. My version is up to date. We can double check that. If yours isn't, then I recommend you updating, since it's very important. And now if you update, you can easily just click here. As you guys can see, we can click on split screen. We can choose another app, and as you guys can see, it's working just fine. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.